Hello friends, welcome to my chess channel Sushant Chess Wise. The purpose of the channel is to teach chess from scratch. Here the parents will be able to teach their kids and some kids can learn on their own as well. Okay, today we will continue with the second part of lesson 6, the chess notation. In the last lecture we learned how to record the moves. Today we will see how the game moves can be recorded during the game. So we have looked at the score sheet here. This score sheet is provided during the tournament and we can record the game. Let's see. First, white plays the pawn to this square. So we know the name of the square is E4. So we write E small and just the name of the square, because we discussed for the pawn we don't use the first letter P. Okay, now black played the pawn to this square which is E5. Okay, E5. So now white played the knight to this square. So the name of the square we can see is F3. Okay, and the piece which has come is the knight. So for knight we use the letter N. So N F3. Same way black played his knight to the square C6. So we write N capital and C6. Next, white played his bishop to the square C4. So for bishop we have the first letter B and the name of the square is C4. So bishop C4. C will be small. Okay. Pawn comes to this square. The square name is D6. For the pawn only the name of the square, that is D6. Okay. White played the special move castle. So this is short castle. For short castle is denoted by 0 dash 0. Short castle. Okay. Black played the bishop to this square. The square name is G4 and for bishop we use capital B, G4. White played the pawn to the square D3. Black played the queen to this square. The square is D7. So Q D7. Okay. Now we come to this move. One of the complicated moves to write. See, the both knights can come to the square D2. So we want to know that this knight has come to the square D2. So for that we have to see, and if this knight can also come to D2. So we see they stand on, this knight stands on B5 and this knight stands on the F5. So if we want to bring this knight, we write knight B D2, because the B knight has come to D2. Suppose we want to bring this knight, then we will write knight F D2. Here we will have to write F instead of B if the F knight comes to D2. I will be showing that in a while. Now black can do castle. So for round castle 0 dash 0 dash 0. So that is long castle. So let's look at two other moves. That is en passant . Let's see how to record the move en passant. Suppose the black pawn has come here. Okay, so white pawn can capture it this way, as we discussed last time. The pawn can cross diagonally go one step ahead, and this is a special move and passant. So for pawn we discussed, pawn will go to the square d6. So the square d6 has to be written, but it has come from the e5. So e d6. Okay, let's look at few more cases. Now we have got rooks. Both rooks can come to some common squares. So let's see. Okay, let's see if a rook comes to this square. So we have seen that the a rook is coming to the square e1, and here both rooks can come to e1. So we will write rook a e1. Suppose this rook comes to the square e1, we will have to write rook f e1. Okay, so that is how we can distinguish between the squares. Finally, if a pawn captures normally, so if the pawn takes from d4 to e5 square, so we will just write d takes e5. Okay, so that is all about the pawn captures. Whenever pawn will capture a piece on the 8th rank, so it will take same way, b takes c8, but what we have to write here is d c8, and whatever piece we want to make, suppose we want to make queen here, so we have to write q. So d c8 will become queen. So we will have to place the queen there, and we have to write okay. In future we will be seeing positions and doing some games and all. That time when we discuss the game, I will be writing the notations. We will get more clarity on that. So that is all about writing the game. So I hope you understood the lecture today. So if you like the content, do consider subscribing the channel and comment so that I can respond to it. Thanks for your time.